If someone accuses a person of being an attention seeker or a cloud chaser, when in reality they are simply seeking justice for a public injustice, it's important to recognize how easily the truth can be twisted, especially by those who are involved in the wrongdoing. So often, corrupt individuals will manipulate the narrative to discredit the victim, painting them as evil or unreliable so that their truth is dismissed. So in cases like this, you're likely dealing with narcissism or psychopathy, as it's common for abusers to antagonize their victim. If someone spreads lies about me, claiming I am jealous or framing my truth as a competition, or suggesting that I'm upset about someone else gaining attention, that's pure diabolic manipulation. It's a deliberate tactic to distort the truth and control the narrative. So imagine this. Imagine someone fabricating stories about you, playing the victim to turn others against you. That's classic narcissism. Or someone antagonizing you just to portray themselves as the victim to gain sympathy from others and to make themselves look better than you. That's narcissism. So some might dismiss what I'm saying, claiming it doesn't make sense. So concepts like gang stalking often don't resonate with people who haven't experienced it firsthand. And this is why many targeted individuals are labeled as crazy. Not because we are crazy, but because manipulators work hard to discredit our experiences. So when someone plays the victim while collaborating with deceptive individuals to spread false narratives about me and make me seem evil, understand that this is a form of gang stalking. And if you educate yourselves about gang stalking, you'll understand and you'll see that the patterns and you will recognize the narcissist behind it.